$50,000 in 30 days from this dropshipping store, branded dropshipping, whatever you want to call it. This is the real way that dropshippers are finding winning products and how you can guarantee yourself long-term success. This store's done $50,000 per month for over 12 months. You can see here, this is the previous year. It has done $50,000 per month. It's how this guy has managed to make $42,000 in 30 days using AI recommendations and increasing his conversion rate. And he's done all of this by finding winning products and setting up the business in a proper way. It's this guy's managed to make $2,000 in less than 30 days, in less than 1 day actually, at a 6.4% conversion rate. So in this video, you're going to learn 3 things. If you can stick with me for 15, 20 minutes, you're going to learn a lot in this video. First of all, how can you find winning products on your own? This is the most important thing. By the end of this video, I want you to have the tools and the experience and the knowledge to be able to go out there, find winning products on your own and see success every single time. That is my goal from this video. Secondly, I want you to understand why everything we've tried up until now has failed, exactly what's causing the problems in your business, and a little sneak peek, it's a very, very simple change that we need to make in our mindset and the way we're building our business, and then we're going to start to see very, very quick results in our business. Thirdly, how we can build an AI that can sell our products for us while we sleep. And as a bonus, if you stay until the end of the video, you're going to get access to this exact AI powerful app that when plugged into your Shopify store will double your conversion rate. And guys, it's exactly what these guys are using to recommend products to their customers, and it's exactly what's allowing them to scale rapidly. So first of all, we need to decide what route we're going to take. There's the no route, and this is the route that you're probably taking at the moment, and this is what's causing you problems. And then there's the yes route, and this yes route is what's going to allow you to see success. Now, I'm going to show you what's happening wrong in your business at the moment. I said at the beginning, I'm going to show you what's causing you problems, and we're going to do that now. So what's happening is we're focusing on quick cash, low profits, and short-term businesses. Low profits is a result of the wrong setup for our business. Quick cash is why this is happening. And this is typically what happens. This is a Shopify store that's done $37,000 in under 30 days. And it has taken what we're calling a bell curve. This is a rapid scale, rapid growth in the business, topping out at about $7,000 in 1 day, and then a rapid decline in business. This, on the face of it, looks like the person has made a lot of money. And although that may be true, they've made only revenue. We don't know what the profits are from this business. And I can, trust me on this one, this is a failing business model. And the reason this is a failing business model is because we are focusing too much on the front end. We're focusing on quick cash. And quick cash does not lead to quick profits. Trust me on this one, and I'm going to explain exactly why this is the case. When you're building a store, there are 2 parts to your business. There's the front end, and that's the marketing and the product research, finding the product, getting that in front of customers, and getting sales. And typically, as a newbie beginner, this is the only thing we focus on, because in our minds, if we focus on this, we're going to make money. But you forget, the second part of the business is the vehicle. This is the part of the business that's really going to allow you to keep those profits. Keeping profits is the most important thing you need to learn here. This is the mindset shift. Just because somebody's paid you money today for a product does not mean you get to keep that money. And I'm going to explain this in a second. So, what actually happens? How does this happen to start off with? Well, we are told to do product research this way. And this leads me into a quick segue, guys. This video is actually sponsored by my software company, ChatIQ, and this is the AI that's going to convert browsers into buyers. I built this product because I wanted to turn more visitors onto my store into customers, and it's how this guy managed to get to $2,000 per day using this software product to get a 6% conversion rate. I'm going to get to that in a minute, but for now, I want to make sure that you're not going to make the same mistake that a lot of other dropshippers do, which is going onto TikTok and looking for products by searching for keywords like this. These are multiple different dropshipping products, and every single person is doing the same thing because every single person is watching the same videos over and over again. And what's actually happening is you go ahead and you click on one of these accounts, you look at the videos they're creating, you look at the products they're selling, you're looking at the videos that have done well, and then all you try and do is order this product or recreate these videos by using video content that's already been produced. And then, as a result, this leads to problems in your business. Now, what's actually happening here is we're focusing too much on the front end, finding the products and advertising the products. And what can happen is when we're using TikTok to market, we can have very, very quick growth. And this happens because we get a viral video. But viral videos don't last. Viral videos are viral for a reason. They have very short attention spans, they get very, very quick growth, and then they stop bringing in money. But what happens after this point is what's causing the problem, because we are focused on videos and getting video content out there. And what happens is once we get a video that gets views, mentally in our head, we're thinking, great, now we need to double down and we need to do more videos like this. The more videos that we get views, the more money we're going to make. So we typically end up ignoring the people who've given us the money right at the start, because we we've seen that payment come in, we've focused on that customer now, we've got that payment, now we need to find the next customer. We are not focusing on the vehicle, and the vehicle includes customer service. This includes shipping out products. This includes fulfillment, returning customers, all of these things, making sure customers get the product that they ordered on time. These are boring things in the business that we're not focusing on. And the reason we're not focusing on them is because it's boring and it takes time. But this is what's causing us to lead to disputes in our business and everything to fail. So for example here, right? All of these payments are being disputed. And guys, I really hope you're still paying attention because there's so much useful stuff in this video. Every single payment here that's been disputed, we are losing 3 times the amount of revenue that we're creating. First of all, we're losing the amount of money that customer paid us, $20, $15, whatever it is for the product that they bought. Secondly, we are losing $15 for losing that dispute. So now we've lost $30 to that customer. On top of that, we're losing the cost of the product. We've already shipped that product, but because we shipped it late, or because we shipped the wrong product, or because that product was delayed, or it was broken, that customer has now disputed, and then we've lost $30, $40, $50 per customer. Now, imagine, right, we've scaled to $7,000 in one day. We've hit $7,000. That is probably 500, 600 purchases. That's 500 or 600 people who have purchased a product that we've then not really dealt with properly because we've not built our business properly, because we've started then trying to produce yet more content that we are now having to deal with a whole load of problems. So we've got hundreds of emails coming in that we can't deal with. And then as a result, we then lose our Stripe account, we lose our Shopify payments account, the whole business goes down, they hold a load of money, and then we have to still deal with all these problems. And at the end of it, maybe we make $2,000 to $5,000 profit. Best case scenario. Worst case scenario, we lose $5,000 because we've got a whole load of things to pay for. We've got a whole load of fees. We've got a whole load of disputes. We've still shipped products, but people want refunds. And this, guys, is what happens when you focus on product research strategies like this. And there's a much easier way to do this. So if you want guaranteed success, large profits, less competition, and long-term business, this is what you need to do. Pay attention. This is what this guy has done to scale his business to $1,000 per day. $42,000 in revenue, and we're going to be doing exactly what he's done by using personalized AI shopping and proper product research. I'm going to come back to this in a second, but essentially what we're doing is we're looking for products that solve problems, and then we're working our way backwards from there. So rather than looking for a product first and then building the landing page and then building the marketing, we need to work out if what we're building is going to work, and what we're building is going to help people, and it's going to solve a problem, and it's going to get sales. Because if we can do all that research first, we know going in we're going to make payments, we're going to make sales, we're going to make money. Now this takes a little bit of extra time and a little bit of extra brain power, but trust me guys, it's going to be completely worth it by the end of this. So what we're doing here is we're looking for a problem niche, and for example, I've gone here with acne scar treatment. This is a problem that people face. They have acne, they want to solve that problem. It's a pain in their life. So what we need to do is find a product that can solve that problem. But before we do that, we need to make sure that this problem is big enough for people to want it to be solved. So we'll come back to all of this in a second. We are going to find problem products, build a niche store, and make money. So here's what we do. First of all, we do research. This is the research stage where we find those problems. So you're probably wondering, okay, how do I know what problems to focus on? You can either just do your own research, or you can just talk to ChatGPT just to kind of pick your brains apart and try and get some ideas. For example, this is sleep disorders. I chose this because it's a big problem. If people don't get enough sleep, they underperform at work, maybe they're grumpy, they're tired, it's causing health problems, it's causing problems at work with the amount of income they're making, maybe they're losing out on different things in their life. This is a problem that people want to solve. It's making them uncomfortable, it's a pain in their life. Now, we focused on this problem. All we then need to do is find a product. Well, the next thing we need to do is actually look for search terms. What are people actually looking for actively? What problems do they have that they want solving? And there's a very, very easy examples here. Best insomnia relief products. This is a product for insomnia relief. Sleep apnea solutions, natural sleep aids, sleep trackers, sound machines for sleep. Each one of these has a product tied to it. And then all we need to do is make sure there's enough search volume for each one of these terms. If there's enough people searching for sleep trackers or natural sleep aids, we just need to create a product that shows that it solves this problem, and we're going to make money. The reason people buy is 2 things. 1, does it solve a problem? And 2, can it solve the pain, and can they get it? And once they've got it, does it actually work? If that's true, they will give you money. It's very, very simple. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take those search terms and we're going to just basically see if there's enough search volume for them. This is just like short validation. You only need to spend 20 minutes on this. So for example here, I've gone into Google keywords searching. So if you create a Google Ads account, it's free to make. Just create a Google Ad account. You can go to keyword research. I can make a video on this if you want. but then just put in some keywords. So here, acne, skin, bad skin, scar, clear skin. What it's going to do is it's going to find us search terms that people are looking for in this niche, and it's going to show us the amount of search volume and the amount of competition. So here, acne, bad skin, clear skin, scar, skin, right? A lot of people are searching for these. Skin is obviously getting a lot more searches because it's a lot more broad search term. Clear skin, for example, or scar is much smaller, or bad skin, but we can also see the amount of competition. There's low competition, but there's also high search volume, which means this is a validated niche. This is something that has a problem. This is a niche where people want something solved, and there's not a lot of competition in this niche, but there's a lot of people in this niche that want that problem solved. So now all we need to do is form our product and our brand and our marketing around this problem. So you see what we're doing here. We're creating a system here where we're finding guaranteed results by finding a specific problem, and then we're building something that's going to solve that problem. And we do that by just literally creating a product. So I've gone here, acne patch. This is a product we're going to use. So rather than saying, right, we're going to find a random, where are we? Right, rather than saying we're going to find a random product that other people are selling and we don't really know why it's working, other than the fact it's maybe some trend going on TikTok and the algorithm's pushing it out, we're actually guaranteeing ourselves results here by saying we know there's a problem that people have. So we're going to attach a product to that problem, and we're going to market this product in a way that's going to solve that problem. Easy. Now, what I recommend you actually do is you create a niche store. So you create a storefront which has got 6, 10, 15, 20 different products that can solve this problem. You've got acne skin patch, you've got little things that you can put on your face, you've got some sort of cream, whatever it is. You're going to create 10 different products. You're going to go to AliExpress or whatever you want to find your products from, and you're going to make sure that those products are marketed in a way to solve the problem that we initially found. And now all we need to do is make sure that we're gathering information from people and working out why they're not buying, what problems they're looking for, what information that they need to make a decision, and then also ideally we want an AI that's going to then sell those products to them. And that's where ChatIQ comes in. That is where what we're doing here is converting browsers into buyers by understanding their pain points. So let me explain this. We create a product page, an e-commerce dropshipping store, and we've got 10 different products imported here. This is just an example, right? This isn't an actual store, but we've got 10 different products created. Imagine all of these are in the beauty niche or the acne niche, right? All of these different products solve one pain point or one problem. Acne, okay? Obviously these ones don't, but you get the idea. All of these products have information on them about why people should buy, the pain points that it solves, the features that it has and how it solves those problems. All of that information we're then going to feed to an AI, and this is using the software. That AI is then going to be able to help people make a decision to purchase your product. So for example, it can actually recommend people products. So what we're doing is when we're pushing traffic to our website, we're gathering feedback from people through conversations that the AI is having with them, but also it's converting them into customers by answering their questions. I'm going to show you a workflow here. So recommend me a product for dry skin. I recommend this facial oil. Okay, so it knows all of the products on our page. Then they probably have more questions. How much do I have to use? How long does this bottle last? Well, use 20 to 50 ml per application. So now they know how much they need to use. They know how long this product's going to last them. If it's a 100 ml bottle, they know how long it's going to last, and they've got like a value in their head of that product. I need to get this before my friend's birthday in 1 week's time. Will it arrive? Yes, your order will arrive in 3 to 5 working days. You'll get this in time for your friend's birthday. So now that person has got multiple questions that's stopping them from buying, but instead of having to go away and do the research themselves or think about it and try and make that decision just based on pure luck, they are now getting answers to their questions there and then on your website that's stopping them from purchasing. So here, now they've actually got 2 questions that have been answered. They are 2 steps closer to purchasing. Cool. Can we actually gift wrap it? In this case, the AI said, well, you can gift wrap the soaps. And by the way, this isn't like a continual conversation. This is just a demonstration that I'm doing here, but you get the idea. You can gift wrap the soaps. What about the face oil? Can you gift wrap that? Well, you can request gift wrapping if you want. Awesome. I'd like to buy the facial oil. Here's the link. They then go ahead and purchase the product. So what we're doing here is we're creating a general store where somebody lands, somebody lands on our website. They go and shop around. Typically, when somebody lands on your website, they're going to go and look at the shop. They're going to look at what products you're offering. Maybe they're going to read each different product, and then they're going to try and make a decision. But on average, someone's going to spend anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes maximum on your store, which means you've got 60 seconds to convince them to purchase one of your products. At the end of the day, right, you don't care which product they buy, you just want them to purchase a product. So we're actually testing multiple different products here using AI, because we're able to get people, answer people's questions using AI. Whatever page they're on the website, they can ask the chatbot the questions. It can recommend them products, but more importantly, as a business, we can see what questions people are asking. We can see what information they have and what questions they have before they purchase our product, and then we can use this information to add it to our product page. For example, here, right? How long will this last? How much drops do I use per usage, right? That is something that we could add to our product page. If we look at the chat history, and I'll show you how to do this in a second, if we look at the chat history of people having conversations with the chatbot on our website, and we see multiple people are asking, how much do I need to use per usage? All we need to do is at the top of our product description, insert that in here and say 2 to 5 mil, that's a 5, per usage is what you need for this product, right? And this is doing two things. One, this is converting customers straight away. And you're probably wondering, okay, what happens if if the AI doesn't know this? Well, you can train the AI with this information. And if the AI doesn't know it, then you can actually adjust the response if it's incorrect. So it's doing two things. One, it's increasing our conversion rates on our website because it's converting people into customers straight away by answering their questions. There's a reason why when you go into a store, they have a salesperson. That salesperson is basically trying to convert you into a customer by answering your questions and tailoring that shopping experience to you. And that's what we're using this AI chatbot to do. The second thing it's doing is it's giving us data for us to continue to iterate and improve our store. Now we know what questions people are asking. We know what problems they're looking for to be solved. So all we need to do is adjust our marketing to then tailor to that specific problem, or tailor our marketing to those customers. We now have information on what's happening when people come into our store. We're not just guessing. We're actually making changes based off data. And guys, it's an incredibly easy system to set up. But I don't want you to just take my word for it. We've got over 12,000 people using this software, and it is making a huge difference to every single person on their e-commerce stores. This guy is the one that I showed you earlier. He is using AI recommendations, and he's made $42,000 a month using ChatIQ. This guy is doing over $1,000 in sales in a single day because of ChatIQ. This guy's doing $50,000 because 4% conversion rate because of ChatIQ. All of these guys are making money on their stores because of ChatIQ. So if you want to get set up, it's incredibly easy. If you click the top link down below in the description, it will take you to our website. On the website, go ahead and create an account, put in your card details and start a free trial. It is a 30-day free trial. No, it's not, sorry. It's $30 per month after that trial. But in that trial period, you can set up your own chatbot. The way it works is you first upload data to that chatbot, and this is your product pages. So you can put in your URL of your store. It's going to scrape every single page on your website, and then you're going to create a chatbot that you can then embed into your website that can then answer questions. So guys, if you've got any questions about ChatIQ and how it can convert people into customers, let me know down below in the comments. If there's any features that you'd like to see from it, let me know in the comments. If you want to see any other videos along these lines or any other videos you want to see, again, let me know in the comments. But I hope this video answered some questions. I hope it helps you find products in the future. And like I say, I will see you guys in my next video.